Today, we will talk about the 5 ways artificial intelligence is revolutionizing rule-based systems. Rule-based systems are being revolutionized by AI because it increases their scalability, efficiency, and adaptability. Conventional rule-based systems are limited in their capacity to handle complicated or unexpected events since they are predicated on human-defined rules. Large data sets can be analyzed by AI, especially machine learning algorithms, to find patterns and relationships that might not be obvious to humans. Before we move further, give a thumbs up to the video and click to subscribe our channel so you don't miss any update. Let's begin. Number 5. Better ability to make decisions. AI enhances rule-based systems by including sophisticated decision-making features. AI systems use machine learning algorithms to scan large databases, identify trends, and extract knowledge in order to make deft decisions instantly. AI continuously optimizes decision strategies in response to shifting circumstances, in contrast to static rule sets. AI-driven trading systems, for example, are used in finance to optimize returns while minimizing risks by constantly adjusting investment portfolios depending on market patterns. Rule-based systems are enabled by this dynamic decision-making to be flexible and adaptable to changing surroundings. Number 4. Automated generation of rules. Rule-based systems undergo a revolution thanks to artificial intelligence, which streamlines the process of creating and modifying rules by automating rule development. In the past, creating rules for complicated systems required a great deal of domain knowledge and human fine-tuning, which frequently led to laborious and prone-to-error processes. These difficulties are mitigated by AI-driven rule generation, which uses sophisticated algorithms to automatically examine data and generate rules. Rule induction is a popular method used in automated rule generation that entails utilizing machine learning algorithms to derive rules from datasets. These algorithms sort through massive amounts of data to find the connections, patterns, and correlations that control how a system behaves. AI systems enable rule-based systems to capture complicated relationships and easily adapt to changing conditions by condensing this knowledge into rules. For example, AI-driven quality control systems in manufacturing optimize production processes and lower faults by automatically generating rules for defect identification and categorization based on sensor data. By imitating the process of natural selection to evolve rule sets over time, evolutionary algorithms provide a potent method for automated rule generation. These algorithms produce and improve rules iteratively, exploring the rule space and finding practical solutions through the use of crossover and mutation approaches. Evolutionary algorithms are used in cybersecurity applications to automatically create intrusion detection system rules. These algorithms are capable of real-time adaptation to changing attack techniques and new threats. Artificial intelligence AI enables rule-based systems to quickly and autonomously adapt to changing situations and surroundings by automating the creation of rules. This flexibility improves the efficacy and scalability of rule-based systems while also hastening their development and implementation. Automated rule generation will become more and more important in promoting efficiency and creativity in a variety of fields as AI technologies develop. Number 3. Ongoing education and adjustment. The ability of artificial intelligence to continuously learn and adapt is one of the most revolutionary features of rule-based systems. Conventional rule-based systems are frequently immobile, depending on present rules that could become antiquated or ineffectual in situations that change quickly. Nevertheless, AI algorithms are capable of learning from experience, which enables rule-based systems to develop and improve over time. Techniques like neural networks and reinforcement learning are the foundation of this capability. AI agents that engage with their surroundings and receive feedback in the form of incentives or punishments based on their behavior are said to learn via reinforcement learning. By gradually honing its rule sets to provide better results, the system can iteratively improve its decision-making capabilities thanks to this feedback loop. Reinforcement learning methods, for instance, allow robots to learn difficult tasks like gripping items or navigating environments through trial and error, progressively modifying their behavior to attain the best outcomes. Neural networks, which draw inspiration from the architecture and operations of the human brain, are also highly effective at deriving intricate patterns and correlations from data. Neural networks are able to model and adapt to complex relationships within the data by minimizing prediction errors through techniques such as gradient descent and backpropagation. This flexibility is especially helpful in fields like banking, where complex dynamics may be difficult for traditional rule sets to capture and market circumstances can change quickly. Artificial intelligence AI-driven rule-based systems may stay flexible and adaptable in changing circumstances by adopting constant learning and adaptation. These systems don't rely on set rules. Instead, they use data-driven insights to continuously improve their methods. This allows them to stay competitive in a world that is changing all the time. Because of their adaptability and durability, they are particularly useful in handling the intricacies and uncertainties present in numerous real-world applications. Number 2. Customization and personalization. Rule-based systems are transformed by artificial intelligence because it makes previously unattainable levels of customization possible. Success in today's dynamic and competitive landscape depends critically on catering to the varied demands and interests of users. Artificial intelligence AI algorithms are particularly good at sifting through large amounts of data to find patterns and extract insights that may be applied to personalized experiences. The ability of AI-driven personalization to change and adapt in real time is one of its main benefits, which enables them to present content that is more relevant and tailored to each individual. In the context of e-commerce, for instance, AI-driven recommendation engines examine browsing patterns, purchasing patterns, and demographic data to make product recommendations that suit the interests and preferences of individual users. In addition to improving the user experience, this tailored strategy increases engagement and conversion rates. By letting people establish their own guidelines and preferences inside the system, AI makes customization easier. Artificial intelligence AI systems can modify their behavior in response to explicit input and user-defined criteria by using methods such as reinforcement learning and user modeling. For example, users of smart home systems can set up rules for lighting, security, and temperature management according to their own routines and preferences. Rule-based systems can improve user relationships, boost customer happiness, and propel corporate expansion by leveraging AI-driven personalization and customization. The capacity to customize experiences to each person's distinct preferences, whether in e-commerce, healthcare, or entertainment, enables businesses to stand out in a crowded market and provide value that connects with their audience. Number 1. Transparency and interpretability. Even though artificial intelligence AI systems frequently use sophisticated algorithms and rule sets, it is crucial to preserve decision-making transparency. A key instrument in accomplishing this goal is explainable AI x AI, which provides a coherent explanation of the reasoning behind the system's outputs. XAI approaches seek to close the knowledge gap that exists between the necessity for human comprehension and the opaque nature of AI algorithms. XAI helps users understand the decision-making process by giving them insights into how rules are created and used. This builds user trust and confidence in the system's abilities. This openness improves user acceptance and makes it easier for human stakeholders and AI systems to work together. XAI is a game-changer in legal circumstances where accountability and adherence to moral standards are crucial. XAI guarantees that legal verdicts are consistent with established legal principles and promotes fairness by providing an explanation of the rationale behind judicial decisions. Moreover, interpretability becomes essential in fields like healthcare and finance where AI-driven systems impact important decisions. XAI strengthens trust and dependability by allowing practitioners to validate the judgments made by AI systems, in addition to improving the interpretability of diagnosis or investment advice. Fundamentally, AI-driven rule-based systems' emphasis on interpretability and transparency highlights how crucial it is to match technical developments with moral principles and legal obligations. XAI paves the route for the responsible deployment and broad adoption of AI technologies by encouraging responsibility and clarity. This allows the technologies to be integrated into a variety of facets of human civilization. That's pretty much it for today. Let us know if you find this video helpful. Share your thoughts in the comments. We will get back to you. Goodbye.